Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Zaki Martono from class 10-1. So, today I want to talk about why we must take care of nature. Nature gives us many things like fresh air, clean water, and healthy food. We can help by doing simple things like not throwing trash anywhere and saving water. Small action from us can make a big change for our future and for the next generation. Let's protect nature together to keep our planet green and healthy. Don't forget to like and share. See you and next time.